In this presentation, we are gonna go ahead and create a search ad, but that's gonna be too basic. I'm not gonna get into not even the intermediate level. Basic search ad, right? So without wasting any time, let's get into this. Of course, as usual, I need to get into the Google account, Google Ads. And there we go. Waiting for it. Just wait for a couple of seconds. And this is our home page. Let's come to overview. All right, let's create a new ad. Let's create a new campaign. So I would say hit on new. Of course, you can come to campaign or get to overview, wherever you want, you can go from there. I hit on plus icon. I would say new campaign. Now it's giving you 7 to 8 options, which are like sales, leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, app promotions, local store visits and promotions. And now the 8th option is going to be create a campaign without a goals guidance. Of course, if you remember, we have been clicked on this, that's create a campaign without a goals guidance, and this is what similarly we are going to do this. Why aren't we not choosing sales, leads, website traffic? Because if I'll choose any of these, it would change the settings of the form, which I really don't want to do this at right now. We'll go each and every step. I'll go for sales as well. I'll go for leads. I'll go for traffic. Everything will go for, but still, as I told you, we'll go for goals guidance without a goals guidance actually. So I hit on this. Now it's asking me which kind of campaign do you want to select? Search, display, shopping, video, app, smart, local, discovery. We'll go for search one. Once you hit on search, it would ask you, select the teaser you want to get from this campaign. Do you want to get some website visits? Do you want to get phone calls? Or do you want to get app downloads? I would suggest you not to choose anything because prior to this, we haven't chosen anything. I'll go for only hit on continue. And this is our same page. Let's go and make a name of it. Suppose I want to create online courses. And of course, if you remember in the networks, I told you to leave each of these blue ticks. I don't want you to get any of these ticks as of now because of course we are going to for search network, but this is not I personally use. So I would untick it, and this is the display network. Once we'll create the display ad, I'll use this at that moment. So as of now, I'm crossing it. Then if I hit on show more settings, we have start and end dates. If you want, you can get into this. We have the start date, which is January 28, 2021. If you want to start it from here, you can go for it. If you want to set an end date, you can select a date, whatever could be the end date. And if you want to say none, you can say end date, it could be none. Once I'll stop it, I can stop it by myself. Till then, keep running this ad. It says your ads will continue to run unless you specify an end date. But that's okay. I would say none. I'll stop it by myself. Till then, keep on running my ad. It would say, okay, no problem. Then it says campaign URL options. I'll say no to this as of now. Dynamic search ad setting, we'll go for it later. Ad schedule. If you want to add schedule, you can go for it. It's totally up to you, your call. If you're going for practice, I would say go for it. Add some schedules by yourself. Try to make any schedule. Let's say I want to go for Mondays to Fridays. I would say every Monday to Friday, my ad should run between 9 to 6. And I'll put the schedule like from 9 a.m. to 6. I guess that's 18. If I'm not wrong. That's 18. That's right. Between 9 to 6. And that's it. I don't want to add anything. It says to limit when your ads can run. Set an ad schedule. Keep in mind that your ads will only run during these times. I would say, okay, no problem. So my ad will not run on Saturday and Sunday because I haven't said that. If I would say all days, it would go for all days. But if I would go for only Mondays and Fridays, Mondays to Fridays, no Saturday, Sunday included. So my ad will keep on running between Mondays to Fridays, between 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Then it says targeting and audiences. We can say locations, locations as we have discussed about. I would say in India. Enter location. I would say only Delhi. It's Delhi, nothing else. And yeah, presence or interest. And interest. And then I have something called languages. I would say all languages. I really go for all languages, and we don't want to, as of now, we will not get into audiences right now. Budget, let's set the budget, it's 1,000. Bidding. Of course, we'll go for clicks one. I'm not getting into too much. I'm just hitting clicks. And I would say bid strategy. Maximum clicks. I'll go for cost per clicks. It says help increases conversations with enhanced CPC, and there is a warning alert. Let's go for that. Setting bids manually may result in low performance. Use smart bidding to help improve results by using more signals to optimize your bids. I would say that's okay. I'll manage it by myself. Then we have show more settings, conversations, add rotations. Conversations, as if now we'll leave that. Add rotation, if you want to add some rotations, that's totally up to you. You have two options, optimize and do not optimize. I would say do not optimize. I would say rotate ads indefinitely. Go for everything. Then we have add extensions. As if now we are not getting into the add extensions. It's site link extensions, call out extensions, call extensions, add extensions. So many extensions are there. Will not go as of now. I'd say save and continue. It should give it a tick at first step. Yes. The mandatory fields we have filled. That's why it's not showing me incomplete. Now, the second step says set up and add groups. I would say my group name gonna be Guru School Online Courses. Alright, and default bid. What bid do you want to set for your cost per click? I would say I go for 20 rupees, not more than that and not less than that. Now it's asking me to enter some relevant keywords so that they can actually find the keyword. Suppose I enter the keywords by myself. Online Excel courses, and as of now this is just a normal type, right? Suppose I go for, I'll make that exact one. Now it's gonna be, it's gonna be exact, right? This is exact. Let's put one more. Online Excel courses, online website designing course. And similarly, online digital marketing course. One more. Let's go for one more. I would go for online. Online Facebook ads course. So suppose as we as Guru School offers these courses, some of these are I have mentioned here. So yeah, so if anyone would search about these courses, as I put them exact column, so these are gonna be on the top for mine, right? So these are my, and as this is a broad match, if you now look at this, match type self-control with searches can trigger your ads. Now look at this, it's giving your broad match, phrase match, and exact match. This is also giving you the kind of tips if you want to go for. I just go for exact match. If you will learn more, that's totally up to you. I don't want to add new group. I would just save and continue. We have set up and add the groups. It's ticked. Now it's asking us to create the ads. Now we'll go ahead and create the ads. It says add a group, that's Guru School online courses. We have the keywords. These are online Facebook ads course. These are online Excel course, online website and online digital marketing course. These are my keywords. Responsive search ads, and let's go for this. Let's create the ad as well. Now let's create the ad. So in creating the ad, we need to add our final URL, and our final URL is app.guruschool.in. So we need to write it as https and then colons and then 2 forward slashes, and then we need to write app.guruschool.in. And then in app.guruschool.in, then it's asking me for the path. This is the URL and this is the path. This is called display URL, but prior to this it used to call display path. As if now I'm not getting the option of preview, but that's okay. Maybe you will get the option of preview, but that's okay if you are not getting it. Once it is published, I'll show it to you, right? How does it look like? So let me show you how it does it look like. Suppose I have searched for interior design. Suppose I have searched something for interior design and there is something called ad. There should be some ad. Look at this. Yeah, or look at this. It says business.google.com. That's its URL / lighter living. That's the path which I told you. So we'll go to the same path. This is the online. That's our site. This is our site, but let's just close this as of now. So suppose my path is online. So this is online, and suppose this is courses. This is my path, and suppose now it's asking me for new headline. What's the new headline could be? Suppose I'm giving the headline, headline 1. Let's say, or let me first show you what's the headline it is. This is the headline number 1, or look at this. This is the headline number 1, if you see this, and this is the headline number 2. And if you want third headline, so it could be there. Now, they have updated the Google ad accounts so that we have so many headlines area. So let's start writing it. Let's mention it as Guru School Institute, and second I want it as best in class online courses. See, this is giving me the ideas, view ideas. If you hit on this, you can view, you can see the ideas for there. But yes, if you want, you can also take the if you hit on this, you will see some of the kind of options there, but that's okay. That's totally up to you. It's giving you suggestions too, because you have the word limits. That's called 30. You have the 30 letters limit. Then third, suppose I'm giving expert instructions, or fourth it could be like look at this. Now it says poor. I want to make as find the right course for you, and then I would say let me write it by myself. Feel free to contact us. And suppose I'm saying about we offer best price courses, and last, suppose I say easily affordable. And I think once I keep on hitting enter, it would keep on giving me the ad headline. I would say this is okay. I'm not getting into this. All right, it says add more headlines if I want to make it, so I need more headlines. Okay, let's make it beginner to advanced, and it says make your headlines more unique. Now both are tagged. I guess this is his ad strength. This is showing me the ad strength. So both are tagged. I guess this is okay. Include popular keywords in your headlines. Okay. So let's suppose I would say expert guidance. Let's make it expert guidance. Or let it be. You can do it by yourself, I guess. Now it says add headline, and then you have the description area here. Let's suppose it says lifetime access, explore a variety of fresh topics. And then second, I say one brand new website designing video every day for the next 60 days directly in your inbox. No. Home Guru School Institute, best in online courses. Find the right course for you, lifetime access, learn on your schedule. Make your descriptions more unique. Okay, let's make it more unique. We provide the best knowledge that a person can have, and we help them to achieve their goal. Okay, this is 91. Let me do one thing. Wait, Control Z. I'm sorry, Control Y. Instead of we provide the best knowledge that a person can have, and and help them to achieve the goals. That's it. Make your descriptions more unique. It's done. Now it's totally up to you if you want to add URL. That's totally up to you. One thing is left, that's include popular keywords in your headlines. I don't know what should I go for. As of now, I'm not getting, more options. So you can do it by yourself, I believe. I would say save and continue because I'm not getting the preview right here. That's why I'm just a little bit distracted, but that's okay. I say save and continue. And last step is my confirmation. Now just wait for the confirmation. Now it says cost is 53.59 daily estimate. It's Jan to no end, campaign budget 1000 per day, bid strategy, it's manual CPC. No campaign goal, no goal selected, all languages, one ad group, 4 keywords and 1 ad. I would say continue to campaign. And it's been done. Guru School online courses. It's done. I have submitted it. I have published it. Now, as you can see, this is my ad and this is already running. I'll let you know once it is fully published. And one more thing, in the next presentation, I'm gonna talk about the error which is already in this particular ad. I'm gonna go ahead and let you know what all the mistakes you should not go for. All right, till then, try to make a simple basic ad just like I did. Try to make some basic ads for you and do share me your ideas. All right, and yeah, till then, take care of yourself and I'll see you in the next lecture.